Good morning, this is Joyce, and gosh, it is Saturday and I am so excited. Not sure when this video is going to go up, but I recently bought this kit, this Tonic Studios card making collection. I ordered it from scrapbook.com. I showed it in my haul video, and it's got $60 worth of stuff, and it paid $19.99 for it. So I wanted to share this separately from the haul video, and I guess I should have opened the box in order for me to do that. I didn't, so let's do that now. This kept coming up in my feed. I think it was on Facebook. So let's pull it out, and the box is empty, but what it says is that there are 81 creative designs using your stunning kit. Contains an extra die, exclusive magazine, and 86 item craft kit. That is what is in here. It looks like it's birthday cards and pillow boxes and embossing folders and just all kinds of goodies that I am going to do a small series playing with this. And before I get started though, here's another box within a box. Let's get it open, because evidently this contains all the stuff that we are going to need. And it says, inside your kit, 68-page ideas magazine, exclusive 3-in-1 perfect pillow box die set, coordinating A6 embossing folder, 12 image and sentiment stamps, and 70 versatile papers and toppers. Sounds like a lot of fun, and that's what the back of it looks like. Okay, and it just shows all the different things, and then the front looks just like the other box did. So let us pull that out. And okay, so both boxes are empty. Okay, so I am going to show you my dies. So this is the first die. This is the Perfect Pillow Box Extras. So this is all the dies for decorating the pillow box. Okay, and this one is the Perfect Pillow Box, and that's why I bought this, because I don't have a pillow box die, and I just thought the dies would be worth more than $20. You know, I'm almost sure you probably would pay more for it than $20. So I thought it was a good deal. And then you have, okay, let's open this one because it feels kind of heavy. It's embossing folders. You know, I have a major thing for, it's stamps and embossing folders, and the stamps just say to and from. You know what, you could never, I got some to and from stamps, but they really the pits, so it's good to have that. And then it says happy birthday, and it's got all kinds of flowers, and it's got roses, and 3 sentiment stamps with love just for you, and then it's just got bunches of flowers. So that's going to be terribly interesting. And then this is your embossing folder for the pillow box. I love that, and I love that this pot is empty, and it doesn't have to be used for the pillow box. This could be a great card front, and when you emboss it and then just stamp your sentiment here, I'm excited, y'all. I am really liking this. So we're gonna fold it down because it's sticky. And so, yep, I am going to, like I said, I want to do a series. This is the Tonic magazine. But before I show you that, I am going to show you. Alright, so what do we have here? I'm thinking these are your papers. Not sure that I would use these, but they are cute. Okay, so let's go down a little. Alright, and I think that'll be good. So these are the papers. They're kind of on the thin side, because you know I like a thicker paper, but they can be used for stamping on. And so okay, so you have to cut those off in half. So they did it like a booklet. And then there's that one, and they are double-sided, but it's terribly thin, and the colors are very muted. You definitely wouldn't want to make a box out of this. I like the marbling here. Not papers that I would have bought, and that's marbled. But those are the papers, and in the back, oh well, I guess I'll show you all of them. And it's dark on one side and then a little lighter on the other side, so everything is double-sided. Same here, it's darker there and here. Now these are cute, so you could cut these out, and it just I'm not crazy about the papers, but you know, you could put those on cards and then just mat them with whatever you wanted. A gift for you. They could have did better with the paper though, for real. And then it's just little to and froms, a gift for you. So that kind of would just go on your pillow box. But yeah, so that's the paper. Okay, so then we have the magazine, which shows the same pictures that are on the front of your boxes. The same cards and what have you. Alright. And then they just kind of talk about what's within it. Okay. And then these are all your projects. So each page, you know, it just tells you about what the projects are. Okay, I wouldn't mind getting another one of these. Oh, you can subscribe. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting a few of these. Seriously. Have to see what the subscription is about. But guys, so that is it. I am going to go through and choose a project. And here they are. And it's just, I'm going to read the book and just see about making some of the projects, and then I'll come back and I'm going to, like I said, I want to do a series because they have different things, different designs, and so they have numerous projects, and that's cool. I really like that. 5 ways with your perfect pillow box die set. Yeah, they pushing that paper. I'm not liking that paper, so I will definitely do my own paper. But that's okay. Then you got super stamping, so you have cards, which is cool. And I'm not going to flip through this whole thing. I just wanted you to see. So yeah, it's full of paper. It's full of designs. It's full of projects to use your dies, and then it's got lots of card projects. So yeah guys, that is it for this kit, and I will be back to show you what I create with it. And stay tuned, I will be back. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends. Bye.